Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur your background on the Zoom meeting application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a virtual meeting on my Zoom meeting application, and if we want to blur our background, we can go to the camera option. You can click on the symbol, this little arrow, and then you can simply click on blur my background. And I'm going to activate my camera to show you. And as you can see guys, that my background has been blurred. And I'm going to turn it off, or actually you can also go to this menu and then you can go to the adjust background and effect, and here you can select blur. Or if you want to change your background, you just need to select the background you want to apply, just like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to blur background on Zoom meeting application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.